While each client is unique, the basic sales steps often remain the same. If you found a sequence of tasks that works well for your sales process, you can add it to your CRM contacts in one click. Let's say that to increase the chances of closing a deal, you warm up your prospects using 3 steps. First, you make a qualifying call, then you provide a demo the next day, and lastly, follow up via an email after 2 days. You can organize all of these steps into an action template, save it for future reference, and then add it to new contacts in just a click. Once your workflow becomes more comprehensive, you can then add groups. For example, a group of tasks for prospecting, qualification, initial contact, closing, and even post-sales communication. And all users in your CRM account have access to these action templates. New actions are automatically assigned to you, but you can also assign them to other users. Maybe you're responsible for the qualification part, but not for the post-sales process. Now, action templates are super handy, but in sales, nothing stands still. If after a few months, you find out that it's better to follow up after 3 days instead of 2, it's easy to make this change. And if an action falls on a weekend, you can decide whether or not you want to burn that midnight oil. You can also insert templates to several contacts in bulk. Just select the contacts and choose the group you want to insert. It'll take just a few clicks, and your contacts will have a list of upcoming tasks with dates and priorities. So it all sounds great in theory, but it's even better in practice. So just go to OnePageCRM.com and try it out for yourself.